save us from bondage of sin, and to win the whole world safe. Was born in Bethlehem. Ayun, experience. I could still remember when I was a kid. When I was young and I was
Wala ko kaya.
Introduce ini siya from my mama, akong papa, introduce ako. And then, dili lang ako, ilang kong kipapin ng mga organizations like church organizations and many more. Ayun, seminars and everything. That was the whole experience.
Based on experience. First na ako naka-attend of conference na wala po sa pinag-susutan ko sa kumama without asking money from them. First na po ako mag-conference for Christ dito sa Davao. Kanang isa din na ay sa unod to sa kanang kaugalingon nga spiritual na nakuha ko pong money for their that registration na from kapoy tayo ika na itong moment dahil nagkarga lang tayong panahon dito pagkatong dahil dito kanang yung overwhelming sa so much ng mga experience there, mga talk sharing, mga activities and everything. Overwhelming tayo. Okay, so where is it there? Hapit ni of church nga dito, hapit ni of church, kaya nawala naman yung ako ni Padolo. Sa yung night Christian na ako na kumakain, what conversation. So, ako dito lang din, guys, from me is my everything because I love him and I know he loves me. Okay, thank you very much.